we're back here. We at the studio doing a song project for Haiti, and this is one of the songs that I'm producing for what? What y'all singing? Look, they're not singing. They're over there. They're not singing there. Look at them in there. They're just chilling in their room.
Yeah, you were singing because you were there before, but
They're just chilling. See them chilling?
all right.
They're chilling.
One more time.
So.
Good.
Hope our life, don't you give up.
Got it though?
They're stressing you out, right? Hope our life, 1, 2, 3, and.
Hope our life, don't you give up.
Oh my gosh, what is that? Give me your crack. Everybody taking it? Everybody taking it and putting it like some kind of.
Everybody had like chicken scratch voice before. It's a miracle work.
And you still got chicken scratch voice. Let's go.
That's not funny.
Makes
This
sense.
because the top right here.
It makes sense. Sorry, my
And
bro.
those are not on. All of them not on.
You're right.
Turn them off when
You're
you
right.
turn
You're
them
right. You're right. You're right. You're right.
on. All right.
Okay.
Keep hope alive. Ready?
All you say is keep hope alive. So you say, okay?
Ready? You ready?
Yes.
They drive me crazy right now.
The soul of your children remains alive. Don't you give up.
Just keep.
Just say keep hope alive.
Don't you give up.
One more time.
One more time.
The soul of your children remains alive. Don't you give up.
Here. Say hello.
Hello,
What is your name?
Natalie.
Her name is Natalie. She's one of my.
Dear soprano.
She's okay. She's an okay soprano, and you know she's singing. And Here Go the Divas coming out after a short amount of time. They came out the studio a short amount of time.
Holla.
Okay, look short right there.
That's me.
Okay, I go outside. Look at this right here. All right, let's listen. You want to listen? We'll listen.
That's cool.
Yeah, man. Now they're adding the claps. They're adding the final claps. It's all very simple. Look at them. They can't even do that. Look at them.
The soul of your children remains alive. Don't you give up. Hey, you got a friend. We're here to lend a hand. The soul of your children remains alive. Don't you give up.
So yeah, it's your boy Dickson. Listen, we just wrapping up the song. Well, actually the vocal parts. We wrapping up the vocal parts to the song, and it's looking pretty good. So I'm a little excited about it. It's gonna be a wonderful blessing to the people of Haiti to show that Haiti will rise up again. Will rise up again. I believe that. Strongly believe that. We will not give hope. All the media stopped, and all the people stopped, showing off and yeah, New Year, yeah. Haiti, my God. Now that it stopped, they're quiet, but there are a lot of people that are still grinding to making sure that we can see Haiti rise up again. So we about to over here. What's up? It's your boy Dickson. We just finished wrapping up the choir part with Haitian Mass on the song called what's it called again?
Keep hope alive.
Keep Hope Alive. Sorry, it's called Keep Hope Alive. And I'm gonna give you a little snippet of how it's gonna all sound. We're gonna put live drums in there that's missing. We're gonna put live.
Bass guitar.
We're gonna put. We're gonna. We're gonna put
live.
live bass. We're gonna put live drums, and we're gonna put live strings, and some more instruments, and make it sound better. But
Yeah.
Be hot.
it's looking good. That's how it's gonna sound. So,